Today we are going to uh, discuss two more use cases where our completable future help us to easily meet, yeah, address those cases. Okay.
Right.
So case number one, we are going to understand. Let's first scenario. Whenever you can say we are going to download some video, download some images, right? Let's
Yeah.
and notice, let's say one video are available multiple source. That you are going to download one movie, and download have a lots of sources: website 1, website 2, website 3, website 4, right?
Right.
Ultimate option, same source, same movie or same data you can download from the different website, site 1,
Right.
site 2, site 3. So our objective, but I am going to download only one copy, right?
Right.
But I have a 4 5 option, right? Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. So let's simple is because I have going to call, hey, my threads, go download data from this site and get response. If I'm not, I don't know which one responding fast, right?
Right.
Due to the network bandwidth, locations of the data transfer capacity, different parameter between this, right?
Right.
What I decided, I know ki we have a four kind of source where I can get my required information, and I need as early as possible. Nowadays, each application is programming want to respond customer as early as possible, right?
Right.
So whenever we have a multiple source of data, so what I can say, hey, let's say I'm going to start thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 4. Hey, go download the same our information from the source side. Anyone complete as first. I don't know if T1, T2, T3, T4. Who is completed successfully firstly, right? So in this case, we have to uh, get the first response of T1, then T2, then T3, then T4, and then compare which website is getting the less time, right? For getting a less time, we have to wait to comparing all first complete, right?
Right.
That your time is increased. So why not we say, hey, my Java application, hey, completable future, you let do it. I'm just saying this is my source, four threads. I'm just starting the same time, and whoever completed first, tell me, yeah, this is the one completed, and this is your data response, and just even inform to the customer, right?
Right.
So in this case, completable future help us to find out anyone of maybe 10 or 5 or 10 threads who is completed his job as early as possible, right?
Right.
So as a programmer, we are not going to take in care ki this going to complete first, this going to complete first, this going to complete first, this going to let's them let this work to the completed future. Completable futures is a responsibility to starting these four threads and figure out who is completed first. Who is completed first, you get the response. This is your right.
Right.
You are getting response which is completed first, right? And all others are by default completed future going to discard. If we receive one data, why say thread 2, thread 3, thread 4 still continue work, right? Because no needed.
Right.
Because we have responsive to customer, okay, this is one data, right?
Right.
So this is the use case, this is scenario. It's clear? This means
Right.
ki we are going to request, hey, completable future, I have this is a four source of data. Can you download? And I'm not need the four copy. I just need only one copy. But who is responding first, server? Just take the response to me. And the rest other you can discard them. Right?
Right.
Okay, so let's do. Any doubt with the question so that I can start writing code, right?
Okay. So initially it opened four thread, but
Yeah.
only one thread will be active. The other three will
No, no,
be.
I requested all go start, right?
Mm.
Because I don't know who server is download successfully first, right?
So
So I
once one complete download, then the other will be
going to stop,
okay.
going to kill, going to not work because I don't need other response. I need only
Right.
one response, right?
That's
I am
correct.
not
Yeah.
interested you completed or not completed. I'm not going to wait. I'm getting my output. I'm going to do my work. Okay,
Right.
it's good.
Yeah.
In this real life, you can visualize many times this is happening, right? This use case maybe uh, different use cases where you are going to request multiple people do your work and anyone completed, you can say my job is completed, right?
Right. Right.
So let us example. So basic example, let's here our maybe download some data. This was one static method. Let's say static method return byte size. The number of byte size you count, right? Uh,
Right.
download data. Put data, okay, and whatever the requested value, maybe X amount of value you want to request, right?
Right.
And they return some X amount. But before that, might be it will take some time. So let's say S out download download data is started by let's which the threads they are starting thread one, thread two, okay. Download is completed. Might be it will take some time out. Let's keep thread sleep sleep dot just sleep some duration of time. Okay, duration of some let's give new random number dot nest list 5 seconds. Okay, maybe 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. Some random number take time to download, right? So this
Right.
is the my each threads have responsibility. They are going to start download. They will take some time, and after they say completed, I'm returning the value, right? This is the one business cause. Here, business logic can be anything. Okay. So let's key. This is the my business logic. I'm going to say okay, this is the my code, and why I'm going to start because I have a four source from where we can get download data, right? So let us say I'm going to start this code run as a separate thread. Okay. So multiple
Right.
we know how to request, hey Java virtual machine, can you run this code in a separate thread? So we are going to use the one of the way completable future. So here's a completable future dot completable future dot supply run sync, and here say whatever you have, just call my download method, and let's say pass the five value, any value which you want to return, right? He in this case I can pass value and then return the value as well, right? This is the you can say let's it's a completable future one. Okay, this is the way you can create the completable future of one, right? And let's similarly I am going to say 4 5. Okay, say this is that's a complete 2 3 4. Okay, 4. Okay, and here's a give some value, let's 5 uh 7 9 anyway, right? Here what we're doing, same work. I am going to request it for different thread, right? Okay. So question is ki how we can start all of them, right? And how we can say, hey, completed future, anyone complete first, give me the data, right?
Right.
Because all they are returning data. Whatever I'm passing data, same data returning. So if they return 5, that means first one completed, right? Or second one completed, third one completed, fourth one completed, right? So completable future have a one of the method which are going to use
Right.
completable future dot any of, right? Just here say कि anyone completed, give me. So here anyone's are expecting you pass me this array of completable future, right?
Right.
So might be I have not remember we have explained you dot three.
No.
Three dot is acha, maybe in any classes we have to discuss whenever any method say dot. That means this types of data you can pass one data, two data, three data, four data, 100 data. Look like an array, right? But not
Mm.
an array.
Right.
So
Right.
this is the one thing. So here I can pass hey completable feature one is it's also good. You can pass two, it's also good. You can pass three, also good. You can pass four, also good. Notice
Right.
only possible because these methods are expecting variable argument. Means you can pass one argument, two argument, three argument, four argument. This is not
Mm.
a variable argument method. If there is a no variable argument dot, that means you have to overload it. This is the method one argument method overloaded, two argument overloaded, three argument overloaded, four argument overloaded, right?
Right.
Instead of overloading multiple times, why not you can use the where argument method. So I'll give you the example when later. As of now, just understand this is the one of way you can write method. Here your data types dot and give the variable, right? So this is internally become array, right?
Right.
So till now you are getting the future any of, okay, any of any of any of future, okay. So now you have a any of future. Okay.
Right.
Even here you can option you can declare variable or given the value, right? Here I can say completely where. So here what do
Right.
I do? We are just say, hey complete our future. This is my work. You just start for asynchronous thread for me. And I'm saying you can start all of them. Whoever complete first, those response give me us. Here I have to say future dot get value, right? Okay. So notice this is the way you can get the value, right?
Right.
So now our here look like what we are doing. Just saying, uh, let me I give. So what are you doing here? Simply say I'm going to say download same code. I'm saying hey you can start fourth thread. Here just we're making fourth completed future. Here I'm saying ki start all of them and just give me the one answer which completed early. Any of means, right?
Right. Right.
This is the method. Return the new completable future that is completed when a given completed feature complete. The same result and otherwise it will exceptionally throw. Okay. And other जो भी can be stopped. Right.
Right. Right.
Listen of this method. So if you run, might be sometime you are getting maybe thread one completed first or this completed. Whoever completed you are getting a response. Right. So let's check. So notice here 9 is completed first. So here multiple threads. Let me I say here I give the value as well, which is the give the value, right? Which
Mm.
input. Okay. Um, Run. Uh, they are going to okay. Notice at this time request. This is the completed 5 early. Okay.
Right.
For one notice this is the 5 only the started completed. Rest are started 7 also completed, but first 5 is the early completed, right?
Right.
Worker number thread 1. So this thread completed first, we are getting a response. Maybe thread 4, thread 3, thread 1, thread 2 also completed, but 5 is early completed, right? So if you run again, you are getting different output, right? In this time 11 is completed first, worker thread 4 is completed first. Notice.
Right.
So this is the very simple Java API to solve our problem, right? In the multi-threading. Same code you are saying, I am going to start multiple threads. Whoever doing complete first, give me those results only, right? Is clear?
Yeah. Right.
This is the one use case. But
So
some, yes,
the result is 11.
11 means ki, that means ki this thread is completed early. 11.
Okay. Does it have like a 11 is the value, right?
Because I say ki whatever the thread, same value are returning here, right?
Hmm.
I'm same value passing, same value returning. So just identify ki which thread completed first, right?
Right.
Whatever the input is passing, same input I'm returning. I'm not doing any calculation here, right?
Right.
Just waiting for some time to do some random number times and returning the value. Maybe
Right.
that's
Right.
10. So you randomly were getting waiting some times, some different times. Okay. So you are getting some times. Here, all are the waiting. Who is completed first? 5 is the completed first, and we are getting a response, right? All are the automatic going to discard and wait, right? By default, thread 1 completed my job first. Okay, this is started, and this is same is completed, right? So only first completed, you are getting a response.
So 5 represent which one?
5 represent our 5 represent our first thread is completed, first completed
Oh,
feature.
okay, okay, okay. Mhm.
Here 5 represent first. Here second 7 10 whatever the value you can give the string and give the name voice first thread, right?
Right,
So simple, this is the one of API. Any of is address or situation scenario, right?
right.
Good.
Yeah,
Any confusion for this API example means here just you are going to say, hey computer future, I am going to use one API any of. Any of means as name mention,
right,
any one of completed first give me the result. I am say, hey, worker thread 1, worker thread 2, worker thread 3. Let's I started 5 completed future work, right? In 4, anyone completed, give me the first one, right?
right,
This output of this is depend upon the each operating system, each machine, because here I'm using some random number waiting. Who is going to complete the job first? They are getting a result, right?
right.
So it is a clear.
Yeah,
Let me explore one more API of this completed future. This is one is clear. So sometime scenario, uh, let's see, I am going to start this 4 thread, okay? 4 threads, and I want when all 4 thread completed and all I want to get data, right? And after
right,
that, I do some calculation and proceed something, right?
right,
First case, I started 4 threads, but I want anyone complete and get the data, and I want to do something, right?
right,
Next scenario, no, I started 5, all 5 completed, and give me all 5 results, right?
right,
Once I receive all 5 results, I want to do a summation. I want to do some different kind of work, maybe save the database or call the microservice, right?
Right.
So this is the just different use case, right?
Right.
Okay. So in this case also we can use the one of function is the like okay, completed future dot all of, right?
Oh, yeah.
All of say this four thread I'm going to start, okay, this four thread, but all completed then give me result, right? Okay, here all of future, right?
Right.
So same scenario here. I only interested anyone. Now here I can say I'm going to again start all four. They are going to run, but once all completed, then give me data, right?
Right.
So here notice I'm started thread one, thread two, thread three, thread four, and I'm getting at least four result, right? Result one,
Right.
result two, result three, result four, right?
Right.
We have to iterate and maybe let's want to sum them, all the sum, right? What the result
Right.
there, and return the output, right?
Right.
Okay. So that means this is returning some kind of your array. Means you want to somehow this value which have array kind of concept, right?
Right.
But until you are not getting a future of all the value, here by default they return one. They know, but here they return mostly all, might be, right? So if you notice, okay, so yes. Okay. So here what we can do, how to retrieve this value? Here we can do like this way. So here say this is the somehow we need this value because I want to uh, here I have option. After that, what we want to do? Then apply, then accept, whatever we have option. Once all completed, then I want to what? Then I want to accept them. Means after that I do some processing. I want to get the all result and process them, right? And print them, right? Something. Okay. Here we have to whatever the value returns me, we are going to something, right? Whenever this all completed, it would be good we can declare in a variable like array of completable future, array of all task, right? You can pass this variable task here, right?
Right.
Okay.
So
And
this is array.
yeah, array, you can pass array as well as, right?
Hmm.
Here you can pass this, right? Just like this is my four task, because why I'm giving, because this variable I have to iterate and get the result, all right? Result of this, result of this, result of this, result of this, right?
Right.
Before that, they return only one, anyone. Anyone I can call the get, right? But I have to need to iterate all four result I need, right? So due
Right.
to that, I just declare one variable and pass here. They are going to start all four, and after whatever they return result. Now I am going to say ki whatever this is task. whatever this is a task, I am say I'm going to stream them right now. Stream stream of, we know this is the function we can pass task and dot for each. Okay? For each I am going to wait to complete, right? Until they're not completed, I'm not getting the output, right?
Right.
So what say uh, map, and hey complete your future, you can just go to join means just waiting all to complete, this complete, this complete, this complete, this complete, right?
Right.
Once all completed, then what will do, and just collect the result to list, right? Give me the list. Okay, we have a uh, list. So now we have a list. Okay, list,
Mm.
and now we have a list. I want to now currently all the result of 4. Now you have a one variable results.
Right.
Results. Okay, results. Now what we want to, we want to just sum the value, because I know this all return integer value. Let's say I'm going to sum the value. Okay,
Right.
so we know how to sum it. Even you can print this, you can print the final all results, you can say here all the results, you're getting all the results. But no, I want to know, don't print all the result, I want to just print like a again stream, and just map to integer, you can say. Just I'm converting to the whatever the value. I know they, all they returning the integer, right?
Right.
I can simply say integer colon value of, and converting integer int value. No, let's typecast. He say ki whatever the num element I'm getting, just typecast in integer, right? And after that I am able to sum them, right? Because whenever you want to sum, you want to integer, a float, a double number, right? Because this is the not int stream, so we have to first convert to integer and then sum them, and you are getting the sum value, right?
Right.
Sum. So this is the way you can say ki just start all. Once all completed, I am getting to result all of them and just printing, and after that all the results I am going to sum as well as. And notice, then except after that you want to pass this result to another threads, you can do any other things as well as, right?
So the word dot to list, does
Hmm.
it open a new list?
Here they return the all the results, this, right? Notice,
Okay.
we have started this fourth thread here. All are started. Thread 1 is started, thread 2 is started, thread 3 is started, thread 4 is started. I am
Mhm.
say, hey, this is why I'm creating this variable, because I have to wait all completed, right here. So
Right.
I say, hey stream, complete all to the not completed. Once they completed, give me the all the result. Result of this, result of this, result of this, result of this, right?
Right.
And you are getting one array list. This is list, value of this, value of this, value of this, value of this, right? So we are getting
Correct.
this list, right?
Correct.
And just I'm printing here list. But here list, I can again stream and sum all them, right? Sum the result and get the value here.
Right.
Okay, and let's run it. So this is the first 9 completed, and here we have to wait. Say, hey, our main thread, we have to wait till not complete, right? So as of now, I stop this. Okay,
Right.
book this part. So that just I started here, and here say our main thread. Just wait to complete this all, right? Duration of, let's 10 second. Here already we have, let's just minimize this waiting time, right? 5.
Right.
And here say ki let's say 20. Most probably all completed within a 20-second, right?
Right.
So here I'm saying, hey, this is my 4 threads. Let's start here. Okay. tasks is a plural, right? And let's wait. So here 4 started, completed 7, completed 11, completed 9. Notice I am getting the all the result, right? And what is the
Right.
sum of them? I am getting the sum of them. The ones
Right.
all completed, I am getting the all the result here, right? And all the
Right.
result I want to sum, I want to sum. So here what we are doing, our main applications started main and they started four more thread, right? Four thread. Okay, four thread. This is thread one, this is thread two, this is thread three, this is thread four, right?
Right.
And main is just going to do its own work, right? And once this completed, this completed, this completed, this completed, we are getting result in one separate thread. This is the then apply. In the separate thread, receive all the value, right?
Right.
Receive. And after that, if you want sum, I want to sum them, right? I'm getting all value. Here I
Mhm.
want to maybe create another thread to do something, you can do. Now here, separate chaining from the completable future you can achieve. Right?
Why did we write stream of? Is it does it return stream? Uh, computable future?
Yes, this is the just stream of means ki, stream of completable future, right?
Oh, stream of computable future. Okay.
And map means ki for each map means for each element, I'm going to say, hey, completable folder join means ki just wait to complete, right? Result.
Mm,
Once completed, give me the result.
right.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one, we have different small bits and pieces.
And after
Mm.
that, here completed future, you can say, hey, after that, I want to say, after that, you can say maybe uh, then then you have a multiple option you can do here. Chaining. After that, what you want to do? After that, what you want to do? Lots of your function like a compose, compile, apply, sync.
Oh,
Maybe what?
so we can add more.
Yeah,
What we
let's
want
see.
to
I
do.
want to start one more thread here. The one more thread is started, right? And
Mm,
whatever you want to say here, you want to do, right?
then run. Right.
Then run. Run is the runnable interface. You can pass here and you can start something. Okay. As out, different thread is started. Okay. Task. Okay. Going to continue next work. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mm,
Next work. Okay.
I see. I see. Okay.
Maybe just print the thread name and might be you have to print this in the all here.
Right.
So this activity here, this is the chaining. You can do many things here. Maybe I want to whatever the sum I want to maybe some double it, right? So you can
Right.
say again, then again apply, do something. You have received some input, okay? Input, okay, and here say I want to do some processing, right?
Right.
Here, whatever you want to do. Let's be as here, going to double it, going to double the result, okay?
Right.
Sum, and here say plus whatever that to multiply by your input, right?
Right.
What say? Okay. So let's print what the printing input. We have to type class and then print. Okay. So let us in this way we are going to uh, uh, then apply. Here say then apply. Okay. Then apply. Then return this and then I think multiply by two you can do multiply by two. Okay.
Then apply. Then
And
then
apply
apply.
return value. Okay. What they are saying? Cannot apply the object. They returning the object. Then you have to do typecast. Okay, typecast to integer, right? So here
Mm,
say integer value equal to, here say integer and your input. Okay, and
right.
after that say multiply by value. Okay,
Okay, okay. So you typecast there. Mm,
because this return the object, right? Because here I think we have to mention maybe here return something, right?
correct.
Okay, and they return, notice the integer. So here I think don't, no, don't typecast, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Because here first case whatever apply, I'm not returning the value. Now I'm say return the integer. So this method return the integer. So this is going to different thread, and after that they return something. You want to return something, you can pass here or not passing by default object, right? So this way multiple chaining you can do, and let's run it. Okay, there's something error. Where the error? Say cannot resolve I. Okay. Oh, line number here. What say? Cannot resolve symbol in 36. What is the 36? Where is the in? Then apply. Where is the integer? I'm write some in. Where is the? I'm written here. Then something. I'm not getting any problem. Still they are saying cannot resolve symbol in 36. Okay. What they say? Then apply. They have option. Apply. Again saying they still they are not having. What they saying? Key functional interface. This cannot extend use. So cannot mismatch type lambda expression. Mismatch return value. Okay. What
bad return.
bad return here? I am returning some whatever the, then apply, then apply, then to run, then it's okay. Then apply, and after that, okay, let me complete this. It works. After apply, we are not able to, let's figure out. First, at least we are able to run it, and all other done, and going to next works. So here I can say ki, whatever the new threads. Let me check the output. Notice this is the all work done by the thread one. One started, one completed, three started, three started, four, two completed, two completed. All the threads are completed. Now it works, and you are getting all the four results. And now worker two going to again reuse, and worker two again going to reuse for the continue next works.
Right.
So it's work, but here say let's then apply, say out. No, here say cannot pass input this way. Sometimes compiler is not happy, and this let's pass here. Just say s out. System dot out dot println. They're happy? No, they are not happy. Okay. So as of now, they are saying ki after apply, I'm returning some. It's okay. But here I am saying after that, whatever the result returns, I am going to again after apply a return completable future,
Exactly.
then run, then accept. Let's do then accept what they system dot out dot println. Okay, happy. This happy. Okay, accept accept your text. Pass input here. Whatever the objective you can do here. Then apply, then accept whatever the returns. We have to accept them, right, as input, right? And after that, again do it. Maybe double it or whatever. This objective is that queue on the result of once fourth third completed. You can do anything, right? So notice fourth third completed. After that, I'm going to double it, and after that, going to continue next work, right? So all this work is going to done by the different main threads. Here, our main application just started this fourth thread, right? Thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 4. All are run independently. Once all completed, my new threads receive all this value, right? All this value. And after that, again new threads going to make a sum. And after that, again started new threads. They are going to double it, right? After new threads going to do something extra work, right? So all these different threads working independently without interfering your main application, right? So is it clear? Uh, so let me I also uncomment here. So you can do both things at the same. There is no any problem. Okay. Just for getting output, you can say just demarcation completed this. You can say hey, here, and even here you can pass the complete task as well as both are the same thing. Completed 9 and others are completed. All the results. Notice multiple threads, multiple doing works, right? So notice here I have a started all threads are expecting all completed, and after that I
Right.
can started anyone up, anyone first completed, so I'm getting this result first. And after that
Right.
checking this result is going on, right? So
Right.
multi-threading have it each threads doing independently. But the sometime our screen where I'm getting output, sometime you're getting different number, and this is thread started, okay, and after the thing my 11 is completed, and after that I'm getting the result all completed, right?
Right.
After that I'm going to getting the sum, after that different thread going to double it, after that I'm going to continue the managed work, right?
Right.
So this is the some scenario. Sometime we want some case all should be completed, or sometime I want to know anyone can complete it, right?
Right.
So anything you want to here discuss?
Yeah. It
Anything
looks little complex. This one.
no complex. Just you start at fourth thread, make fourth thread. Here
Right.
say all start, all start. Then I want to get all the result and submit, right?
Right.
And after that, maybe I just added complicated. After that result, I want to different thread do some extra work, and after that, I want to do some extra work. Because in real life, after one work, you can do multiple work, right? So this complete with future given option of those will, right?
Right. So
And
what is the
sometimes
difference between like a then apply, then accept?
then apply means they are doing something, and after they are returning some result. So you have to accept them result, right? So notice then apply is taking one functional interface, and then accept also taking the your consumer, just printing the value, right?
Right. Right.
So they are accepting ki whatever the input you returning, I'm accepting your input, right?
Mm.
They're returning sum, so I get the sum here, right?
Right.
And after that, this accept not return any value thing. So I say
Right.
ki, hey, you are not receiving any value thing. Let's do start your extra work, whatever you want, right?
Right.
And then you can define the end sequence of work, right?
Right.
Sometime you want to all run, sometime you want to know anyone complete, just give me the result, right? So this is the more simple, right? Our today of day objective to understand ki how I want to sure all my thread completed and get the result, or any one my thread completed get the result, right?
Right.
So let's practice. There's not any kind of here complexity. Here also for creating, making thread, there is no any complexity. Just this is your this code. This is the code which are just written to getting data from X website, right? But I don't know ki
Right.
which I have a four source of data from where I can download. So I can say, hey, the same code I'm going to request completed feature. Can you just try for the four different sources? The here say, hey, completed feature. This is my download code. Can you just run for the fourth thread? They are going to run four threads, right? The
Right.
just the syntax we have to follow to tell compiler, hey, this is the code I want to run in the separate thread, right?
Right.
And after that, what the next you want to do? You want to do something, you want to do something, you can also mention. Might
Mm.
be after the getting result, I don't want to do anything. Just print the value and stop, right?
Right.
Like this. I'm not interested after that, whatever I'm getting result, I'm not interested to do anything, right? Just I want to print the result and stop my application. So now we have an option. Completable futures is the given chain of work, one after one work, after one work, after one work, after one work. What you want to define, right?
Right.
So those chain of response, chain of functionality you want to use. Else you don't want to use, don't want to use. Just get the result. They get the result, right?
Right.
It's okay for the day. Anything else?
Yeah, it's good so far.
Let's
Um,
uh, explore it. Any doubt, any confusion, we can again
and
discuss.
for all this lecture, you have the code written on the blog as well,
Uh, Almost yes, you can find the my blog. Yes, almost you can find, right.
but nothing like a video. Nothing like.
Video also available.
Okay. Okay.
Many times I just study and recorded the video. Same video I am reading for different purpose, right? So
Okay.
this video, whatever today we are going to this code also after this session you find the same blog, right?
Right. Right. Right.
This help us me. This is my just purpose why I am uploading whatever the code writing in this because sometime I refer myself own recording, okay. Ki what I sometime whenever you watch your own recording, then we have to analyze ki, oh, this is the ear problem, this is the defect, I think we have to refactor them, we have to work on myself, right? So
Mm,
intention is just putting here so that ki next times I'm go to refer the code what I written. Sometime my code I help us to lots. And we have
right.
to also go here again the need the improvement, right? So we have to next version I can add a different way. So
Right.
almost whatever the I'm explaining you, maybe after tomorrow you'll today this code also found the same website, right?
Right. Right.
Okay, good things.
Sure.
So let's do practice.
No problem. Yeah. So it's good now for today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.